Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through managing your billing information and accessing your invoices within MyCI Hub. Keeping your account details updated ensures smooth transactions and easy record keeping. Let's dive in. Once you're logged into the MyCI Hub portal, navigate to the Billing and Payments section from your dashboard. In this section, you can review, update, or add payment methods as needed. To update your payment method, click on Payment Methods. Here you can view your current payment methods. If you'd like to add a new credit card or payment option, click on Edit and enter the required details such as your card number, expiration date, and security code. After filling in the necessary information, click Save to add the new payment method to your account. You can also update your billing address if needed. Simply scroll down within the Payment Methods section to find your billing address details. To make changes, edit the fields as necessary and click Save to confirm your updates. To view your invoices, stay in the Billing and Payments section and click on the Invoices tab. Here you'll find a list of all your previous invoices, including details like the date of purchase, the invoice custom text, and the total amount. To access an invoice, click on the Download button next to the invoice you wish to view. The invoice will open as a PDF, which you can save to your device. Remember, invoices are also emailed to the invoice recipient you specified during the billing process, so be sure to check that email inbox for copies of your invoices. If you need to change the invoice recipient or adjust billing details, you can do so at any time by returning to the Billing and Payment section and updating the necessary information. And that's it. Updating payment method and accessing invoices is that simple with MyCI Hub. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to our support team. Our support team is always here to help make your flow work.